guys, it's mail time, and I've had this for a month. A bit longer than that actually. Yeah, because whoops, sorry, I just kicked the bin. I was just going to say I kicked the bucket, but it's a bin. Yeah, I ordered this from my fabulous friend Karen over at While Darcey Sleeps, and luckily she already had them made up in her Etsy shop anyway. Well, I'm not sure if they were in the Etsy shop, but she already had them made up ready to sell. And I had a panic on last month, just before, I'm sure it was beginning of last month anyway. Yeah, I had a bit of a panic on because I was like, oh my gosh, it's only like a week away from grandbaby number 3's birthday, and please help, have you got anything ready? I forgot to order from you previously, so she's not time to make anything custom made. Have you got anything already made up? And she gave me a few pictures of different things, and I'm like, okay. And I told her, oh, this, blah, blah. And she sent them out, no problem. And then when they got here, it suddenly dawned on me, it's not grandbaby number 3's birthday till this month. It's now 5 days off, I think. 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, yeah, 4 days off. But yes, but I've had this since last month and I haven't opened it, other than taking the tape off and my address off it. I haven't opened it, but here we go. Love how she's packaged everything. It's beautiful. She always does this. Now, some of you guys who follow me regularly will know that I collaborate with Karen a lot. Because grandbaby number 4, or as you guys know him, Tater Pie or Coffee Bean, depending which social media you follow me on, will know that he used to be a brand rep for Karen for her teddies. Karen makes handmade kawaii teddies, crocheted teddies, and they are all CE tested, they're all safety tested and everything. So, you know, part of her CE testing was, part of Tater Pie becoming one of her brand reps a few years ago, when he was born, was basically so that we could test when she was crocheting things, these tiny little baby fingers getting into everything and getting stuck and possibly pulling the stuffing out and things like that. So, you know, never happened. He pulled on them, he chewed on them, he did everything, and yeah, they were perfectly fine. But yeah, so part of his brand rep role was to test teddies and things like that in those such ways. But yeah, I just love it. I love all of Karen's things. I've got quite a lot of Karen's teddies. I actually don't have any up here right now. They're still downstairs in the old studio because I haven't moved everything up here yet. The one thing I do have of Karen's up here is this. She made me this little cup. Little hot chocolate cup for Christmas, and I use it as a pincushion. Yeah, it is just uber cute. But yeah, she does all sorts of things like that. I've got some proper teddies as well and all sorts of stuff, but like I said, some of you guys who follow me regularly will know that already anyway. But I just want to share with you guys what I got my little pumpkin for her birthday. She will be 3 in 4 days. I cannot believe it. Okay, so I love these. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, Karen. Wow. Oh my goodness. This is all Karen's handiwork. That is amazing. She is beautiful. Wow. Yes. Amazing bunny girl. And I believe it's that one, but just let me double check. Because I'm not quite sure now which way round it is. Oh my gosh, so adorable. Oh my goodness. Oh, she's gonna love that. Pop that there for a second. Right, it is this one that this comes with. So this is little bunny girl. Oh god, just look at it. Look at all this. Look at its hair. Look at her hair for a start. There's loads of it. Oh, I love it. Oh my goodness. And yeah, oh, proper stuffed but floppy, typical kids, you know, doll. Oh my gosh, I don't want to give it away. want to keep it myself. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. I have made a habit of, not so much every birthday, but every Christmas since the grandchildren was born, to order from Karen, order their own custom made teddies. Well, not so much custom made, the Christmas ones, but order custom teddies from Karen for their birthday. Well, yeah, birthdays and Christmases, but not every birthday, but mainly Christmas. And yeah, oh my gosh, she's got a cute little teddy bear to go with it. How adorable is that? So this year was no exception, but I got two. Yeah, I think this one's going to be the one that stays here because it's gorgeous. I got two for that reason, because when I get things from Karen, I never want to part with them. And the grandchildren, in fairness, usually when I buy them, I usually do buy two of everything, because that way one of them gets to go home with them and the other one gets to stay here. And this is the other one. I couldn't resist. It's got the same, pretty much the same colour hair as grandbaby number 3. Oh, she's got a little flower in her hair. Beautiful dress. Look, she's even got wings on the back, fairy wings. Oh my goodness, it's amazing. Absolutely amazing. Wow. I love them. Love, love, love them. Oh my, excuse me, oh my gosh. They are absolutely stunning, Karen. Even better in real life than in photos. Just wow. This one, yeah, I will definitely wrap this one up and send this one home for her to play with at home. And then this one and its little bunny can stay here. Yeah, it's definitely this one because it's bunny girl, isn't it? So yeah, this one can stay here. Oh my goodness, just wow. Because they have a pram here that they use for their teddies as well. But yeah, oh my gosh, that's just amazing. I love them, Karen. I really, really love them. They are just so cute. Oh, just wow. And you know, like, it sits up as well. Ooh, it's weighted enough when you sit it properly. It's kind of weighted enough to be able to sit up by itself. Oh, it's just cute. Pretty much everything a little girl would wish for in a dolly, really. Handmade dolly. I'm not sure if this one will sit up. It could be a bit too top heavy with its head. Yeah, I think it is a bit too top heavy with its head. Full of her. Yeah. Can we make her sit up? No. She's way too top heavy to sit up. But she does these ones in like unicorn dolls. You know, they have like unicorn things, and they have a little unicorn that comes with them, sleepy unicorns. But I love this bunny one. I think it's adorable, and oh, it's just amazing, amazing, amazing. I love them. Yeah, just super duper cool. All the links to Karen and her shop and everything will be below. Please, 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 please go check her out, guys. Seriously, like I said, all of her stuff for children is safety tested. It's CE tested to the proper specifications and everything, so you know they are 100% safe for children. Believe me, we've tested plenty of them over the years. Yeah, but these are just amazing. I love them. Oh my goodness, wow. Just can't even say anything, just wow. Oh wow. Yep, sorry Karen, it's taken me so long to get around to opening them, but they are they are here, and we are in plenty of time for grandbaby number 3's birthday, so yay. This one will get wrapped up and stay here. This one will get wrapped up for her to take home, and yay. Oh, just I love it. I love, love, love them so much. Anyway, a super quick one for you guys. I've got 1,000,001 things to do, and yes, so anyway, again, amazing. Thank you, Karen, so much. Oh, look at this. Look, she's even got ballet. Oops. She's even got like little ballet shoes on, little fairy shoes on with like a shoelace in it. How cute! Such attention to detail. But yeah, and look at this, guys. Look, sparkle yarn. Oh, wow, gorgeous. But yeah, so anyway, oh, just look at them gorgeous colours. Love it. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for Karen for just being so amazing as always, and you're just fabulous work that you do. Everyone just never ceases to amaze me. It's amazing. Well, not amaze me, it does amaze me, but you know, there's just, wow, I've never seen anything yet that I don't like, that's for definite. And honestly, if I had the money, I'd buy everything. In fact, I pretty much did buy one of everything at one point, but yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much, Karen, for these beautiful makes and beautiful girlies. Grandbaby number 3 will love them. Yep. So anyway, I'm gonna love you and leave you guys. So take care, stay safe, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.